Chào các bạn.
Hi, I'm Matt.
I'm Sơn Vi.
I'm Thảo.
We are Vietnamese.
We are Vietnamese.
We are go on foot to eat some food.
We're going on foot to eat some food.
I want to eat some rice.
I want to eat some rice.
Should we walk or go by car?
Should we walk or go by car?
The road condition is too bad for a car.
Road condition is too bad for a car.
The road is very dangerous for walking too.
The road is very dangerous for walking too.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
Turn right, then go straight ahead for 100 meters.
Turn right, then go straight ahead for 100 meters.
Pass the bend.
Pass the bend.
The bank. He had trouble recognizing what I wanted to say, so I will give it another go. Pass the bank.
Pass the bank.
And then our favorite restaurant is on our left.
Then our favourite restaurant is on our left.
It should be on the right.
It should be on the right.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Yes, I think you are right.
Okay, we have made some examples to show you that Vietnamese people don't really say the ending sounds of the words. Also, different people may make different ending sounds as well. I mean Vietnamese people.
Vietnamese people just throw ending sounds away, like
Vietnamese.
that's the S sound, that's a very common one, and the D and the T sound, which are also sometimes mixed up. So food, foot.
We say foot for both of them.
Yeah.
Also, we don't have short vowel oo and long vowels oo.
Taking foot and food, for example, the Vietnamese don't have short or long vowel sounds. So that oo sound you get with foot would be the same as the oo sound you'd get with food. So for us, they sound wrong, but for them, for Vietnamese people, it sounds correct.
Yeah, we say food for both of the words, food and food.
Yeah. So that's sort of a doubling up, which makes it a bit harder to understand a Vietnamese speaker unless they've really had this pointed out to them and practiced a lot. And then there's, of course, ending sounds.
Okay, so now we will play a game.
The game is they will give me their Vietnamese English sayings or words, and I will try and guess what they want to say.
So the first word is a warming up word. Vietnamese.
Vietnamese.
Good.
Right.
Rye would be rice.
It's good.
Neck.
Neck.
Now is next. What?
Walk.
He's good.
Bend.
Bend.
Ta-ta.
It's bank.
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 Thin.
Thin.
No.
Ta-ta.
It's either think.
Think.
Think. Okay, so after this video, I hope that the ending sounds, the short or long vowels in Vietnamese This will not annoy you.
Down.